You know they say slow and steady wins the race, right? Like that also applies to this skin brightening journey. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing this beautiful face right here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy, and on this channel I talk about skincare, beauty tips and wellness. So this sounds like topics you want to keep hearing. This sounds interesting to you. Please make sure you hit that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Also feel free to head over to my channel to watch other videos there, and I promise you're going to love the experience. All right, and to my returning subscribers, my lovely subscribers that keep coming back to watch my videos, thank you so much. All right, now in today's video we're going to be looking at skin lightening journey. So we'll be talking about skin brightening, your journey to skin brightening. So if you're on a journey to enhancing your skin complexion, your skin tone, you want to brighten up your skin, or you've already started brightening up your skin, lightening up your skin, you're on that journey, then you need to watch this video, because I'm going to be spilling all the tea, all the things you need to know before you start, or even while you are at it. You need to know all these things. If you don't know all these things, what are you doing in that journey? Like, you're on your own, like you're just going on that journey on your own, and it doesn't make sense. So if you're on that journey, please, you want to make sure you like this video, sit back and enjoy this video. So there are so many reasons why people might decide to want to brighten up their skin. Some people want to brighten up their skin due to some hyperpigmentation on their skin that they are trying to fade off or brighten up. Some want to brighten up the darker part of their body, while some have just lost their fairness, their natural fairness over time, and just decided to get back their fairness through skin brightening, while others generally just prefer a fairer skin tone to a darker skin tone. So for whatever reasons you might want to brighten up your skin or embark on this skin brightening journey, it's fine, it's cool, it's beautiful, all right? But there are things you need to know before you embark on this journey. There are some things or some tips you need to keep in mind. Also, if you've embarked on this journey, like you've started this journey, you still need to watch this video, because you can learn one or two things on how to do things better, on how to continue your skin brightening journey successfully and smoothly. Because like they say, it's never too late. Like, it's not too late for you. So if you've already started your skin brightening journey, but you watch this video and you realize there are some things you are doing wrongly, there are some things you are going about it the wrong way, then you just need to adjust and keep going. So first thing first, before you embark on your skin brightening journey, you need to know, like, you need to be sure that this is what you want. Like, you're not just doing it because you see your friend doing it, or because they say it's in trend, like skin brightening is in trend. No, you need to decide on your own that this is what you want for your skin, this is what you want for yourself, because trust me, the journey isn't smooth. Like, it's not smooth at all. So you need to have made that determination to do it, because you're going to find yourself alone in that journey. So even if you're following your friend, you're trying to do what your friend is doing, once you start, no friend will help you continue. Like, no friend will help you start your skin brightening journey. So once you start, you are in it alone. So that is why you need to be sure that it is something you want. You also want to take note that what works for your friend might not work for you. Yes, like they say, what works for A doesn't work for B. So what works for your friend might not work for you. So you might even be using the lightening body lotion that your friend is using, that is making her skin look flawless, even, glowing, and then you will use it and you will not see the results on your skin. Like, you will not even see any changes on your skin. Yes, it happens. So you need to be ready, you need to be prepared, you need to be determined that yes, it is what I want. And I'll always advise, be confident in your own skin. Like, guys, be confident in your own skin. There's no skin that is perfect. All skins have their own flaws, all right? Because even light skin, people with light skin have their flaws. Their skin is not perfect. Light skin people have to deal with hyperpigmentation and discoloration all the time. So the second thing I want you to keep in mind is that you need to know your budget. Guys, when you're going into skin lightening, you need to think about the finance aspect as well, because skin lightening is not a joke. Like, it's not a joke. You need to know your budget, and let me tell you, skin lightening is not cheap. Yes, you heard me right. Skin lightening is not cheap, especially if you're looking for an even skin, like an even light skin that will also make your skin glow. It's not cheap, girl. You need to know your budget and be prepared for it. A lot of people don't know this. Like, a lot of people start their skin brightening journey and they get stuck in the way. Like, they literally get stuck because they did not plan ahead. They did not envisage or expect the finance aspect involved, like the amount of money they have to spend to keep up with their skin brightening journey, to keep buying skincare products, skin lightening lotions. They didn't expect it to be that much. But yes, skincare is not cheap. And once they get stuck, they are unable to continue. And this often lands some people in serious wahala. Yes, serious problem. Because honestly, nothing good comes easily. Skin lightening is not cheap, especially if you want to use good, correct skin lightening products. They are not cheap. So you want to make sure you're not starting something you will not be able to finish. Like, don't start it if you know you're not boxed up, like you're not really financially buoyant, financially stable, or you're even a student. Don't start it. Don't start what you will not be able to finish. Now, let's say you started with like a skincare product of like 40 to 50k, like a skincare set, because yes, skin lightening does not just involve you using lightening cream alone, like lightening lotion alone. No, it's a set. It comes in a set. If you want to get a good result, like very reasonable results on your skin, it comes in a set. You need to use a set, which is another budget on its own, right? That is why I said you need to know your budget, count your costs, and cut your coat according to your size. Ask yourself, if you start using a product or a skincare kit of like 40 to 50k, if that one finishes, are you able to get another one? Do you have enough money to get another one without it affecting your other expense? That is how you can know if your skin lightening journey or your skin brightening journey will be successful. Because if you start using that skincare kit of like 50k and that one finishes and there's no money to get another one, what happens then? That is when you start running about to get all these cheap lightening Abidjan creams, which you end up damaging your skin on the long run. And then you now start running etasketa, trying to look for products to repair your skin because those cheap creams have already spoiled your skin. So this is even more, like you're going to be spending way more than you expect, all right? Because skin repair also is not cheap at all. It's better for you to not damage your skin in the first instance. Skin repair is not cheap. So if because of your budget, your lack of funds, you cannot continue the 50k budget, the 50k skincare kit, and you end up buying a cheap cream, an Abidjan cream that damages your skin, you still look for money to repair your skin. Can you see you're spending way above your budget now? All right, so that is why it's better not to even start it. If you know you don't have enough money, enough budget to buy correct products, like I said, correct products are not cheap. If you know you don't have money to buy that, just wait until you're financially stable. Don't buy all these cheap creams that will spoil your skin. But yes, I also want you to note something, that because I said correct skincare products are expensive, that doesn't mean they are not rubbish expensive products out there. There are also skincare products out there that are very, very expensive, but they are rubbish, like they are trash. They will damage your skin. Because some people do have this notion that once a body lotion or anything is expensive, then it's effective, it's correct. No, girl, you need to be careful of what you use on your skin. The third thing I want you to put in mind: don't use lightening products on your face unless the manufacturer expressly states on the container that it's a face and body lotion. Then please don't use it on your face. Like, your lightening cream has no business on your face. And it's also very rare for you to see a lightening cream that the manufacturer will write face and body. Like, I know there are some lotions like that, but honestly, to be on the safer side, your lightening lotion does not have any business on your face. Your face is very, very sensitive than your body, all right? So you need something mild, something calm, because most of these lotions contain so many ingredients jam-packed inside, all right? Your face does not need this. Even though your body can take it, your face might not be able to take it, all right? So you want to get a separate cream for your face while you're using your lightening lotion on your body. Also, you want to make sure you get a brightening set or a brightening kit. Like, don't just get a brightening lotion and say you're starting your skincare journey, your skin brightening journey. What's that? You're not starting anything. You want to make sure it comes in a set, in a kit, and that is why you see most of these brands, they have like a set. If you see a particular body lotion from a brand, if you check very well, you're going to see a soap from that same brand, from the same manufacturer. If you check very well, you might even see a body oil from the same manufacturer. That is because skincare is in a set. You cannot just use a cream and say you're brightening up your skin. What are you brightening? It needs to be in a set, and that is why most times it is advisable to get a set from the same brand. For example, look at Macari now. Macari has body lotion, body oil, body soap. You get, so you get those three like from the same brand. It is advisable to get the same thing from the same brand than to use Macari body lotion together with Sentive shower gel together with Beat Gold body oil. Like, don't just mix things like that from different brands unless you are very sure of what you're applying on your skin, or you've applied them before on your skin and you love the result, because manufacturers are different, formulas are different. What the manufacturers of Macari added into their lotions will be different from what Sentive brand had into their shower gel. And most times you will even see all these brands tell you that it is best to use with their body soap, it is best to use with their body oil. This is because they know what they formulated, and they know that all these products go hand in hand, they complement each other, and that is why it is advisable to just get the same set from the same brand. All right, so that you know that yes, you're getting the complete set, and that means you're expecting good results on your skin. All right, like it might even be that you getting the same products from the same brand will be what will make your skin, your skin brightening journey to be seamless, like to be flawless. Like your skin will just look flawless, because it's just simple to put two and two together, that the same products from the same brand will work, like they will complement each other. Then you getting lotion from one brand, cream from one brand, soap from another brand, oil from another brand. Like giving you doing that could affect the result you'll be getting on your skin. Another thing is to be consistent. Be consistent and patient on this journey. It is not a smooth journey, but once you're consistent, you keep doing everything you can, you're patient, definitely you start seeing changes on your skin. Please, you need to be patient for like 2, 3, 4 months, all right, before you start seeing what you really want on your skin. Though at the end of a month, 2 months, you start seeing changes on your skin, which is better and safer than you using a lotion that you'll be seeing changes in 7 days. Guys, you need to run from lotions like that, because at the long run they will end up damaging your skin. You need to go about this journey slow and steady. You know, they say slow and steady wins the race, right? Like that also applies to this skin brightening journey. You need to be slow and steady. Don't just do everything fast. All right, please, if you want to know more about how to safely lighten up your skin, I have 2 to 3 videos already on how to do that. Please go over to my channel to watch all these videos, and trust me, you're going to learn 1 or 2 from all these videos on how to go about your skin brightening journey. Another tip: don't use your lightening product during the day, use them at night. I keep saying this on my channel a lot, like a lot. Don't use your lightening product during the day, because your skin tends to be photosensitive during the day. Just use a normal brightening lotion during the day together with your sunscreen, and you're good to go. Then at night you go back to your lightening lotion. That is how you do it, because at night the weather is calm, everywhere is cool, your skin regenerates very well at night. Like, why would that lotion not work on your skin? So it's going to really work at that time on your skin than you using it during the day and going under the sun. Please don't do that. And let me really tell you why it is not advisable to use lightening products during the day. You see, most of this lightening product contains AHA. Like, either they contain glycolic acid, or they contain lactic acid, or they contain vitamin C. And all these ingredients, they are very good for skin brightening, but they are photosensitive. They react to the sun, and that is why I say don't use them during the day. Use them at night. Very important, guys. Make sure you are using them at night. And when you use photosensitive ingredients or photosensitive products during the day, your skin can get burnt. Like, you just notice that your skin start going darker and darker instead of it getting fairer and fairer. Reverse is the case. Like, it will keep going darker and darker. That is sunburn. It can also cause skin cancer, and that is why you need to keep protecting your skin from the sun. Even without using your lightening lotions during the day, make sure you're following up with a very good sunscreen, which is my last point. Sunscreen, very important, guys. Don't step out without your sunscreen. Even with or without lightening product, don't step out of your house without your sunscreen, guys. Like, don't even make that mistake. You've spent a lot on skincare. Don't let sun to come and destroy your handwork, to come and destroy all your efforts. Also, allow your skin to breathe. Let your skin what? Let your skin breathe. Don't use your lightening product every day. Give it a break. You need to have a break. If you don't use it today, that doesn't mean you will go dark. All right, so you can just use your lightening product 2 to 3 times a week. The other days of the week, use a normal moisturizing, your regular moisturizer on your skin. That doesn't mean you will go dark. All right, if you cannot do it like this, then you can use your lightening body lotions a month on a stretch. Then the next month, you use a repairing or moisturizing lotion throughout that month before going back to your lightening lotion. Either ways, it works. You can do it in a week or a month straight up, then you go back to a moisturizing body lotions the next month. So guys, that is it. These are what you need to know before embarking on that skin brightening, skin lightening journey. You need to put in mind all these tips. Also, please don't forget to go over to my channel to check all these videos I talked about that I referred you to. It is very, very important. If you're looking for safer ways to lighten up your skin, I've made a video on that. If you're looking for a safer way to apply your body lotion, the best method to apply your lightening body lotion without causing any form of skin issues on your skin, I've also done a video on that. Just go back to my channel and watch all these videos together with this one. That will make you to be completely equipped to start or to embark on this skin brightening journey. All right, let me know what you feel about this video in the comment section. If you have any questions, I'm always here to answer all your questions. Just give it to me in the comment section. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Just click on that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel. Subscription is free, by the way. Also, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.